hear about Ava and Angela, it makes you feel pretty grateful for everything that you have going on. It's going right. Yeah. All right, let's get to Craig. It's such a beautiful, beautiful night out.
Oh, just nice. In fact, as we go through the day tomorrow, Joyce, Jessica, everyone at home, we're going to have another beautiful day, a little more cloud cover at times, but we'll take it. We have some 60s back in the forecast, and wait till you see the extended forecast. We're getting closer to 70 by the end of the week. What about today? Today at SeaTac, we actually reached 64 degrees, well above normal for this time of year. Normal would be right about 58 degrees. Guess what? We're going to stay above that for a couple of days, and share your pictures with us. Use the hashtag K5Spring. I'll look for them on social media. This one from Dixon Ray Hamby in West Seattle, who's a photographer. Can't get out now, obviously, and is taking pictures around his neighborhood, which is nice. We appreciate that. And Instagunner sent this picture in. A nice doggy enjoying a beautiful day with some sunshine. Hey, what about the pollen count? Well, it's been in the moderate category. This is tree pollen: cedar, juniper, alder, birch, cottonwood, and elm. That from our friends at the Northwest Asthma and Allergy Center. You mentioned a nice night, Joyce. Boy, we still have some 50s for many spots. Mid-50s at that for Bellingham, Oak Harbor, Everett. And then as we go through to this evening, our overnight lows are going to drop to, say, about mid-40s or so in most cases. So a very nice evening ahead for us. So as we go through tomorrow, we're going to have some patchy clouds. Here's a nice shot of the waterfront, the Great Wheel. Sunrise tomorrow at 6:21, sunset at 7:58. The clouds will come in from the north tomorrow, up and around this system that's going to kind of scoop by us. So the coast with the sea breeze back in place will be a cloudy day for you tomorrow. So mostly mid-50s, but around Puget Sound, all sunshine for a good part of the day. Then the clouds by the afternoon. Then the marine layer will thicken up tomorrow night. So this is 8 o'clock tomorrow morning. Notice the clouds right along the coast. By the afternoon, we've got some sunshine going. Kitsap Peninsula, South Sound, a lot of sunshine. But notice Everett all the way up to, say, Blaine, getting some cloud cover. Then about midnight or just before midnight, we could squeeze out maybe a light shower, certainly some drizzle overnight Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. Wednesday morning, a whole lot of cloud cover to start the day, but then the offshore wind picks up and we will get back to the mid-60s. With the offshore wind in place on Thursday and Friday, that is when we will be closer to 70, 68 and 69 on those 2 days. Your highs tomorrow, again, back up against well above normal, except along the coast. In the mountains tomorrow, mostly sunshine to start the day, a little cloudy during the afternoon, but still managing mid to upper 40s and a couple of mid-50s. Here's the 7-day forecast. Notice Thursday and Friday. I hope you can enjoy that because on Saturday and Sunday we will drop about 10 degrees. There'll be a chill in the air. We'll get a couple of scattered showers with the sun breaks on Saturday. In the meantime, I'm all for those 70s. If we touch 70s, Joyce and Jessica, that'll be the hottest day of the year so far. We got to 69 once last week, but we're going to be closer to it again by Friday.
Okay, fingers crossed. Craig, thanks.